welcome back to the mining cabinet. I don't know if ETCMC is going to be viable much longer, but I've already bought the nodes and they're running, so guess got to update to keep it running. So you have until, if you're running a node, haven't seen this, you have until April the 25th to do this update, but there's a couple steps. People were doing the update losing tokens, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have 100 or more so you can claim them, then shut down and do the update, and then there's a patch you have to apply. If you follow these instructions here, which I will put in the video description below along with the link to this file. But let's just see real quick how depressing this is. So this is the 1 month. Let's do year, because this will show you at the peak of the mountaintop, $2.61. I sold. I didn't have a whole lot by this point, but I did have some, and I sold somewhere around in here when it was over 240, 250. Made out really good. Bought more nodes with what I had already paid off the nodes I had already purchased. So I've already paid off what I spent. It's just not earning very much anymore. So if you look at the 1 month, it's just going down, 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 down from 11.5 cents down below 6 cents. But if we go to a week, at least this looks a little more cheerful. At least this is on an upward trend the last few days, hopefully. Maybe we'll get it back up to 10, 15 cents. Who knows? This project seems to have gone too far, too fast, got out of control. Now they're trying to reel it back in. So there's still a lot of y'all out there working with this because it's got $38,000 of trading volume. So the first thing I'm going to do is log into No Machine. Actually, not the login. I've got this node's running. It's got 172. I've just been waiting for most of my nodes to get where I could claim them so I could do this all at once. I've got one I'll have to wait on that's not claimable, but and I've got one that's crashed. I need to replace the drive in it. But I've got 6 to do. I'm not going to do all 6 with you guys, but we'll do one. So the first thing I'm going to do is claim ETCPOW. If you set it up new, if you set up a new node, it remembers your wallet address, but I'm going to cut this part out. But we got to put in my wallet address, my username that I purchased the node with, and that's actually your node name, since I have 8 of them. Each one of them has a different number at the end, and then your email address, same as you purchased it with. I'll stop the node now that I've claimed. Actually, I've gotten a little bit up. I'll probably lose that. Maybe not. Stop the node. Let's see what else the instructions say. Okay, stop the node, close the program, and then open the launcher. So stop the node, shut it down, open the launcher, check for update. I usually close the launcher just because it takes up more processes and memory. Do you want to update to 1.2.5? Yes. Do you want to apply the update? Yes. So now we did that. We closed it. Now I've downloaded the zip. So let me unzip this, and we're going to put this in program files x86, ETCMC, ETC node launcher, blah, 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 blah. And we're going to overwrite those files with these files. So let me go to my downloads. I have it right here. Let's just extract it and then just show me that folder when it's done. Go to, there we go. That's the folder on my desktop that it's mapped to, hopefully. Windows can't access it. What? 1.2 update files. Boom. We'll select all of them, copy to the clipboard. This file going station hasn't done anything for me yet. So then we're looking for this folder. So let's go back in here. Let's open me another. Oops, that's on my desktop. It's not going to work. Open another File Explorer window. This PC, C, programs x86. That's one thing you have to pay attention to is the instructions are saying 1024 by 600, but it depends on how you installed it, which one you installed, as to what the folder actually is. So you got to pay attention and put it in the right folder. So there, geth, then oh, I hate Windows 11. It's up here, isn't it? Where is it? I don't want to cut. I want to copy. Then I want to paste. I want to replace all the files in the destination. Alright, so I have updated the software. I have applied the patch. And now let's restart the software and see if it runs. So here's the launcher. Run as administrator. It is at version 1.2.5. Click on Get Client. And it said you may get an error saying you already have a copy running, so click OK and start over. We'll see if that happens. Nope. So we will click on Earn ETCPOW. And block synchronization has started, and we're back up and running, and we didn't lose. Actually, we've gotten one more, 0.003 now. It was 0.002 when I stopped it. I didn't pay attention to the RAM and CPU utilization, but hey, whatever. We're registered. Yep. So I think everything's up and good. We are on 1.2.5. So I will go back to the launcher and just close it to save what little bit of resources up will save. Saved a little bit of memory. And that is how you get updated and don't lose any of your ETCPOW, however worthless it may be. I'll put instructions, the link to the software down in the description below. Thanks for watching. I don't know if this is going to be a good project going forward, but as I said, I got in early. I made my money. It just seems to be languishing in the land of not doing anything coin. So thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.